Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. If you have got English textbook, please open that. Take and open lesson number 3, page number 10. Children, in that lesson, the honest auto driver. So we must be honest. Okay, children. If we be honest, everyone will like us. Children, next I'll read the lesson. Listen carefully. It was a cold and windy night. My friend and me met after a long time and were chatting for hours. We did not notice that time flew away and it was close to 10. We decided to take an auto rickshaw to go to our room. It started raining and we hurried to get into an auto rickshaw and reach our place. None of the auto rickshaws stopped for us except one. The driver asked us where we wanted to go and we told the place. Without talking anything about the fare, he said, "Please get in." We thanked the auto driver for stopping for us. Since it was very cold, I asked the driver to stop in the mid at any small restaurant or a tea shop. We like to have a cup of hot tea. The driver stopped near a small restaurant. We ordered for tea and asked the driver to join us and have a cup of tea. The driver refused. I insisted him to take a cup as it would be refreshing. Again, the driver refused to drink tea. My friend asked, "Will you not take tea from the shop or what?" Driver replied, "No, sir, I don't feel like having tea now." I asked again, "But why? A cup of tea will make no harm." The driver with all smiles replied, "Thank you, sir, but I am sorry." My friend asked, "Do you?" So, in this lesson, it is about auto driver and two men, that is author and his friend. So, that day it was very cold and it was night also. So, it was very cold. Wind was blowing there. So, his author and friend were sitting and talking for more hours. They did not notice that time was up and it was close to 10 in the night. So, what they done? They decided to go in the auto for their home, for their room. So, when they were going, it started raining and they were seeing for the auto rickshaw to reach their place. So, none of the auto was going here and there, but they never stopped. Except only one driver stopped the auto and asked where they want to go. So, the auto driver asked no, then the two men told that we want to go to this place. So, the auto driver told, so get inside the auto. Then they thanked for the auto driver to stopping the auto there. So it was very cold, no? So the author asked the driver to stop in any restaurant, means hotel. Otherwise, in near the bakery. So they want to drink the tea. So the driver stopped near a small hotel. That is, we call it as restaurant. So they got down and ordered for the tea for 3 glasses. And the two men asked the driver to join with them to have a cup of tea. So when the two men asked for the driver, no, the driver refused that I don't want it. I won't drink tea. So that other's friend asked, why you won't drink tea in this shop or what? So the driver told, no sir, I don't feel like drinking tea. So again that author asked, but why? If you drink one cup of tea, nothing will happen. So again the driver told while smiling, thank you sir, but I am sorry, I won't drink there. My friend asked, do you have any habit that you won't eat outside? The driver said, no. My friend became angry on the driver. You think we are not equal to share a cup of tea with you? The driver remained silent and never replied. I was really surprised at his behavior and asked my friend not to compel him. In 15 minutes, we reached our mansion. We paid the fare and he thanked us. I stopped him as I really wanted to ask why he refused to drink the tea. He was thinking for a minute and replied, Sir, my son passed away this noon in an accident. I don't have enough money for his funeral, so I promise not to drink even water until I earn enough money for my son. That's why I didn't drink tea when you offered. Please don't mistake me. We both were shattered and offered him more money for his son's funeral. I said, Please take this. He politely refused. Thank you for your generosity, sir. In 1 or 2 hours, if I get 1 or 2 more customers, I will earn sufficient money I need. And he left the place. He could have charged us double or even triple the usual rate due to rain. Still, he received the nominal auto fare. In spite of his poor financial condition, his deep sorrow, the auto driver remained honest and stood by his words. So his friend asked that, have you got any habit that you are not eating outside? So the driver said, no. He did not say anything, he said only no. So by hearing this one, the author's friend got angry and he asked that you think that we are not equal to have a cup of tea. When he asked this question again, the driver remained silent and did not say anything. So this author told for the friend to be silent. So in 15 minutes they reached their home. After getting down, these two men gave the money for the auto driver, and when the auto driver was going, these two men stopped him and asked again why you did not drank the tea. Then the auto driver replied that my son died in an accident. I don't have enough money to bury him in the funeral. So that's why I promised for my family that until I get enough money, I won't drink any water or tea outside. So by hearing these words, these two men got shocked. So these two men got shocked with this answer, no? And these two men gave little more money for the auto rickshaw. But that auto rickshaw did not take this money. He said, in 1 or 2 hours, I'll get 3 or more customers. Then that money will be enough for me to bury my son. So these two men thought, and he left up. These two men thought, so it was raining. So other auto driver means they would have charged more money. But this auto driver, he was very honest and he did not charge anything. He took how much he want and he went for another customers. So be honest to all, because honesty is the best policy. So you must be honest for everything and for everyone. So if you be honest, everyone will be kind to you and they will love you. Okay, children? Now I'll explain in Kannada. ಇದು ಆಥರ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಳಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬೀಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಈ ಆಥರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಎದ್ದು ಸರಿ ಇರು ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವನು ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾನ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾನ. ಆಗ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರು ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಇವರು ಜಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಟೋ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು, ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಇಳಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀನ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ನ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಬಾ ಟೀ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರು. ಯಾಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಪ್ಪು ಟೀ ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೇನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು, ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡು, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನು ಆಚೆ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನೂ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ವ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ, ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ, ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನೀನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಪ್ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆಟೋ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ರೂಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆತರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಇಳಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತೋದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಅವನ್ನ ಮಣ್ಣು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಾಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅವನದು ಇದಾಗೋವರೆಗೂ ನಾನೇನು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನು ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅವನು ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಒಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡಿತೀನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2-3 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ನೋಡು ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇದೇ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಕತೆ. Children, now shall I ask some questions, children? Who does I in the first paragraph refer to? I means this author. Okay, children. How was the night? So, how was the night? The night was cold and windy. Why did the author ask the auto driver to stop auto? So, why did the author ask? So, the author asked the auto driver to stop auto because it was raining and they want to drink the tea. Did the friends offer tea to the driver? Did he accept? Yes, the friends offered tea for the driver, but the driver did not accept. Next question. Why did not the auto driver take tea? Why did not drink the tea? Because he had promised for his family that until he earned the money for his son's funeral, he would not drink any tea or he would not eat anything outside. What did the author and his friend offer to the auto driver? So, the author and his friend gave him some more money to the auto driver. Next, fill in the blanks. The night was cold and windy. So, in the dash, windy will come. The author and his friend decided to take an auto rickshaw. So, in the dash, auto rickshaw. The author and his friend ordered for tea. Fourth one, the driver remained silent. Fifth one, honesty is the best policy. Next page. Meanings. Restaurant. Restaurant means a place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises. Windy means characterized by or exposed to strong winds. Chatting. Talk in a friendly and informal way. Hurried. Done in a hurry. Rushed. Insist. Demand something forcefully, not accepting refusal. Next, behavior. The way in which one acts or conducts oneself, especially towards others. Next, compel means forced to do something. Next is complete the following words. Restaurant. restaurant, restaurant. Second one, behavior, behavior, behavior. Third one, windy, windy, windy. Fourth one, compel, compel, compel. Fifth one, chat, chat. Sixth one, driver, driver. Seventh one, hurried, hurried. Eighth one, right, right. Ninth one, insist, insist. Tenth one, friend, friend, friend. Next is opposites. First one, honest. For honest, answer is dishonest, dishonest, dishonest. Second one, night, day, day. Third, silent, noisy, noisy, noisy. Fourth, cold, answer is hot, hot. Fifth one, close, answer is open, open. Children, any doubt, children? Okay, I think you could have understood this lesson. In the next class, I will give you notes. Thank you, children.